Senator Mix, kayo po perfect attendance sa 15-year history ninyo
Yes.
as a legislator. Pero sabi nila political maverick daw kayo. Medyo Spice Boys kayo nung panahon ni President Erap at bumoto para siya ma-impeach. Namumuna kayo nung panahon ni President Gloria. Medyo tahimik Pangulong Duterte. Pero ngayon, sabi nila parang best friends forever kayo ni Pangulong BBM. Anong tingin nyo doon sa ganung impression?
Well, ano naman ako, issue-oriented naman ako, Ma'am Malu. There are certain, for example, charter change. Hindi ako pumayag. Di po, Ma'am. Di ba, Ma'am Malu? We didn't agree on the mode. We didn't agree on the need to have it done right away. Although many of my kasamaan dito sa administrasyon, tinutulak po nila. So, issue-oriented po tayo, Ma'am Malu. If the issue is good for the Filipino people, nandun po tayo. Kung sa tingin po natin ay dihado po ating mga kababayan, nandun tayo sa pangungonta sa mga plano ng iba't ibang grupo. Remember, during the time of President Duterte, nung pagbanat ni President Duterte sa VFA, Visiting Forces Agreement, and he decided to suspend the Visiting Forces Agreement, isa po ako sa pumunta sa Supreme Court together with Senator Soto at the time, my Senate President, para questionin kung pwede ba niyang gawin niya na wala pong approval ng Senado dahil the Senate is the ratifying body. It's the body that ratified the VFA. Nanalo po tayo dyan, Ma'am Malu. The Supreme Court had spoken and they said for treaties such as that, it has to get concurrence of the Senate on repealing these treaties. So, issue-oriented po tayo, Ma'am Malu. Pag sa tingin natin ay para sa kagandahan ng ating bansa, nandun po tayo. So, I think my track record will speak for that, will speak for itself. Wala naman po ako nakikita masama kay ginagawa ni Pangulong Marcos na yun. He's ticking all the boxes, doing the right things. There's no controversy. Ayaw nga ng controversy. Ayaw nga niya magka-charter change. Unang-unang sinabi sa amin, ba tayo manggugulo na yun? Ang ganda-ganda ng takbo ng ating administrasyon. So, in fairness to him, he's doing the right things. Of course, if there will be bad things that will come out, we will call it out. Being that the Senate is the last bastion of democracy in our country.